Good morning, everyone. Today is January 13th, and we're waking up to a beautiful morning at Riverbank Jungle Resort in Chitwan. We're starting our day by enjoying a delicious breakfast.
खेल्न सक्छौ?
Riverbank Jungle Resort is beautifully located on the bank of the Rapti River, offering peaceful views and a calm natural environment. The resort's beautiful green grounds are perfect for kids, and the children are enjoying every moment playing freely.
Ladybug जस्तै छ त्यो लाउटी मैले देखाउ त मैले ladybug पकडे बारे देखाउ मैले ladybug पकाए यत्रो ठुलो ladybug जाउँ गर्ने त साथ
We relaxed at the resort all day and had our lunch around 2 p.m. After lunch, we're heading out for canoeing on the Rapti River.
त्यो लगाइदिउँ न
बस बस क्रोकोडाइल डरायो अट्याक गर्छ डर के पनि हुन्न अट्याक गर्दियो भने अट्याके घाम तापिरहा सुतिरहा.
Gliding slowly on the Rapti River during canoeing gives a beautiful view of the jungle, birds, and calm riverbanks.
अनि हामी माथि
कुन रिभर छ त बेबी राप्ती रिभर
राप्ती
बेबी के हो
त माछा मारेको जस्तो है माछा हो कि या माछा छ नि ओइ कस्तो डक
ओइ नहोला नि तिमी धेरै हल्लाएपछि त अनि डियर
हजुर
डियर
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 डियर कहाँ छ
सुब्लु टाउको भएको
यता यता अगाडि बेबी
यता
देखे पिक्को डक्टर देखे
गर्न आउँछ डक्टर गरेर
कोही बचाउन कुदैवाले धेरै डर लाग्छ
उसले खोज्न आउँछ क्या
मन्कीले ऊ आएर माथिमा रुखबाट हात फाल्दै धेरै डुब्नु भइसक्यो
डुब्नेवाला हात्ती काग बेबी उता हिल जस्तै छ ओ डुब्यो 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 झन्डै डुब्यो
ठुलो खोला छ
भाग्यो है उयो कति धेरै यस्तो कसरी धारा बनाउने
Canoeing on the Rapti River was an amazing experience, and we enjoyed every moment of it. Now we're returning back to the resort after canoeing.
फेरि पिन्ने होइन फेरि त बनाजा म पिन्छु है ओके ओके जा
No tiredness for the kids. They're full of energy and back to playing in the beautiful resort ground.
तले म आज लड्डु बनाएर खिलाइदिन्छु लड्डु लड्डु खान मन छ
In the evening, we went to watch the sunset from the Rapti Bridge. And just like that, we ended a truly beautiful and memorable day. Good morning, everyone. Today is January 14th, and we're checking out from the resort. It's the last day of our trip, and we're on our way back home with hearts full of happy vacation memories. Since there's road construction on the Muglan to Nagdunga route, we're taking the Hetauda way back home. After a week of road travel and some rough unpaved roads, our car was really dirty, so we stopped on the way to give it a good wash. We're in Hetauda now and searching for a nice place for lunch. After lunch, we were back on the road, moving toward Kathmandu.
Keep left.
Finally, we arrived back in our hometown, Kathmandu. No matter how far we travel, coming home always feels special. And that's a wrap on our amazing family vacation. After a week full of adventure, laughter, and beautiful memories, we've finally arrived back home in Kathmandu. Traveling to new places, enjoying nature, and spending time together as a family has been unforgettable. Thank you so much for coming along with us on this journey.